Yoga with Family Videography Contest. Following the success of My Life, My Yoga contest held in the year 2020, Ministry of Ayush, in association with Indian Council for Cultural Relations and Ministry of External Affairs, has launched Yoga with Family Videography Contest. The contest is being held in India and in foreign countries by Indian missions. There are country-specific prizes and global prize as well. Individuals can participate with their family by taking a video of their family performing asanas. Global winner will be chosen from among the country winners. To enter the contest, one should get a video of their family doing a single or different asana pose for up to 60 seconds. This can be shot at any location with family, such as seashore or by the river or lake, or a heritage site or religious site, nature, and at home or studio. Please visit the website as below. Demo videos are available in the following links at MyGov website. All members of the family can perform a single asana or different asanas. Posture and sequence of the asanas have to be maintained. Start with starting position and slowly go to the final position of the asana in synchrony and maintain the same for a few seconds. Then slowly come back again to the starting position. Log in on MyGov account through email or mobile number through OTP. Click on Participate Now. Enter personal details. Give a title or description about the video. Upload the video using a MP4 file. Click Submit button. You will get a confirmation of successful submission. The winners will be declared by Ministry of Ayush on their website and MyGov website and CCRYN website. The winners of other countries will be declared by the Indian missions abroad. What are you waiting for now? Stretch and click your way to the contest. Go to Facebook page of Ministry of Ayush, ICCR and CCRYN.